Hello guys, so welcome back to YouTube Micro Tech World. Today we are going to learn how to make 2D animation videos, 2D animation kids videos, especially kids videos. Okay, so this video's credit goes to my nephew Saifuddin. He's a 8-year-old child and he has created this amazing 2D animation video, kids 2D animation video. Okay, in this video, he has used three tools: Canva, Adobe Express, and AI voice generator by 11 Labs. Okay, so let's use three tools to create this amazing. So in this story, he is going to welcome young explorers to an exciting journey to the animal kingdom. Okay, so different animals in the animal kingdom will be there. So how he created this scene is he pasted a blank template, and then in the blank template he has pasted backgrounds. Okay. He has pasted backgrounds, and after background pasting he has used elements: this lion element, this deer element, this frog element, this bees element, these trees, all these he has planted. Okay, and he has also done some animations, 2D animations also we can do in uh, Canvas. So he has done that also. Okay. So let's get started. How he has created this. So first, he has generated the voice. Okay, what generated the script? What all things he will do? What all things he wants the narrator to narrate in the story? The main dialogues. Okay, so this he has written, and after that, he has converted this text into speech using this 11 Labs amazing tool, AI tool. So we have to just select the voice, and once the voice is selected, you can even use these play these voice sample voice like this.
Government of the people, by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth.
Okay, it gives a demo 5 minutes, 5 seconds.
Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile.
Right, so we have selected row, and after that, simply we have to write generate.
Welcome, young explorers, to our exciting journey through the animal kingdom. Today, we'll embark on a thrilling adventure to discover fascinating creatures from all around the world. Our first stop is the zoo, where we can see animals from various habitats up close. Look, there's a majestic lion roaring in his enclosure. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle because of their magnificent mane and powerful roars. Can you roar like a lion? Let's hear it. Great job. Now let's move on to the next exhibit.
Like this, this full script will be converted, and then you have to simply just download this. Okay, there is a download option. You have to download it, and then second tool which we are using, our main narrator will be able to narrate the story is Adobe Express tool. Okay, in this we have to just select the character. This character can be any character. It can be cat, it can be cheek, it can be Santa bear, it can be any character. So we have selected this turtle, and then we have to go to record. Okay, okay, and after that there will be an option to upload. Are you able to see this option of browse? Here you have to simply browse and then select our 11 labs folder, 11 labs speech. Okay, once it's uploaded, like this, generating a preview, it will be generating, and then it will be generated. Once it's generated, just you have to download this, and you're ready with the narrators. We'll wait for some time. Once this audio is generated, then we'll move forward to the next steps. We have downloaded the narrator's dialogue. Okay, now we have to move to this scene. We have created multiple scenes. I have already told you how to create scene. It's simple. Add. There is an add option right here. To just add a blank page and then select the background. Then add elements based on your requirement. And after adding elements, you can just animate this elements. Okay, once animate these elements, you can go to here, share, and in the share you can go and download. Then select the format and then select if you want to download all the pages and then click download and this video will be downloaded. Okay guys, so now after this, what all tools we use to create 2D animation? Adobe Express, AI was generated by Level Labs, and then Canva. These tools, and we are ready with our awesome video. Okay guys, so are you ready for the video? Are you ready for the video? So let's get started and watch our final video, which is created by my nephew, and all the credit goes to my nephew, Sai Sudeep, who is an 8-year-old kid. Okay, so let's move on to our main video.
Welcome, young explorers, to our exciting journey through the animal kingdom. Today, we'll embark on a thrilling adventure to discover fascinating creatures from all around the world. Our first stop is the zoo, where we can see animals from various habitats up close. Look, there's a majestic lion roaring in his enclosure. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle because of their magnificent mane and powerful roars. Can you roar like a lion? Let's hear it. Great job. Now let's move on to the next exhibit. Wow, take a look at all the colourful fish swimming in the aquarium. Do you see that big, friendly-looking dolphin? Dolphins are incredibly intelligent creatures that love to play and perform tricks. They use echolocation to find their way around in the ocean. Can you make clicking sounds like a dolphin? Fantastic! Dolphins are such amazing animals. Now we're visiting a farm where we can meet some farm animals. Look over there. It's a cute little piggy rolling in the mud. Pigs are very smart animals and they love to eat fruits and vegetables. Oink, oink. Can you make piggy sounds? Wonderful. Pigs sure are adorable. What an incredible adventure we've had exploring